Welcome to my channel. This week I want to show you a quick sketch of a portrait drawing of my dad. I want to show you how I build my shapes from the outside to the inside. So I always build the shapes around as a container, and then I go and insert my shapes, smaller shapes inside that bigger container. This is a sanguine on illustration board. So now that I have placed all my elements on the head, I can go and finally work on the features. I love to draw my dad because he's very skinny, so you can see the shape of the skull, and you can use the Asaro. This is an underpainting drawing, so I don't need to make it finished. I just need to place my features and be happy with the solidity of the shapes. This is it for this week, but I'll see you next week and we'll paint on top of this underpainting drawing. Bye bye.